tack it up, buddy, gonna shut you down.
It happened on the strip where the road is wide. Two cool shorts standing side by side. Yeah, my fuel-injected Stingray and a 413 are revving up their engines and it sounds real mean.
Tack it up, buddy, gonna shut you down.
Declining numbers at an even rate. At the count of one we both accelerate. My Stingray is light, the slicks are starting to spin, but the 413's really digging in.
Gotta be cool now, power shift, here we go. Superstar Dodge is whining out in low, but my fuel-injected Stingray's really starting to go. To get the traction, I'm riding the clutch. My pressure plate's burning, that machine's too much.
Pedals to the floor, here is two quads drink, and now our 13's lead is starting to shrink. He saw with ram induction, but it's understood. I got a fuel-injected engine sitting under my hood.
Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down. Shut it off, buddy, now I shut you down.
After 6 hours of school, I had enough for the day. I hit the radio dial and turned it up all the way.
I gotta dance, now the beat's really
Right on the spot.
dance, right there in the
The
spot.
beat's really hard.
Dance, now the beat's really hard. Dance, yeah.
When I feel put down, I try to shake it off quick. With my chick by my side, the radio does the trick.
I love to dance, now the beat's really hard. Dance, right there in the spot. Dance, now the beat's really hard. Dance, yeah.
At a weekend dance, we like to show a blast.